Welcome to TradeXN. Today we will be going over how to register an account on our platform. Navigate to TradeXN.com, and click Open Account on the top right of the page. This will take you to the registration page where you can fill out your information such as your email and password. Then click Next. Please make sure you thoroughly go through our terms and conditions. Once you have done that, click the box to agree, and then click Sign Up. Once you have completed these steps, you will receive a confirmation email, and can now log in to the platform. Once logged into your client dashboard, you can see your account information such as balance, payments, account details and more. You can also switch from live account to demo, and back again. Withdrawal and deposits can be done right from the main dashboard as well, and if you're ready to go trade, click Go and Trade. And finally, you can add a new account if you would like by clicking Add New Account here.
Thank you for choosing TradeXN to be your trading partner, and we look forward to getting started. To try out our platform, click the link in the bio to register for a free demo account.